Hello there mga viewers. So today, April 13. Okay, so I will be having my second tattoo. Same as the artist na gumawa nung tattoo ko sa likod dito. Yan. So, karon, I will be going to the tattoo artist no, sa ilang balay man dyan siya imon. So, I'm planning to put my second tattoo here or here na part. And I'm so excited because the tattoo is like a Visayan symbol which symbolizes fertility. Ganda na niya ang weapon. Ako kay pa. Ako asa dagom mo yun. My God. Pa. Medyo sakit siya. Kabakal, tusok-tusok po. Syrup. Syrup. It hurts. You should try it. So swimming legs. Syrup siya. Oh my God, it hurts. So this is it. Okay. So wala pa siya na humano. Nagpuwa-puwa yun siya. But it's actually worth it. Because to design pagkaluhat nindot kayo. Diba? Pulido. Looks like 4 phoenix flying out from this side, I think. And these dots are 8. I think it is quite symbolic for me, since my first tattoo also have 8 races. See? Lain na sad ang gigamit, like pila na ka needles. Oh my God, it hurts, but kaya ra. Lalabanan natin to. Diba? Actually 9 needles na siya. Siyan ka ba? So look how painful it is. Syrup. Per stroke is 9 needles and Depende sa pulso ni kuya. Somehow. May part na lami, may part nga sakit. Diba? Dantag kusog ay bakit? Yes, precious, my second baby. Okay, go, you watch. Okay, another needle. Saka needle, dadako kaayo and sharap. Ayaw, eh.
Wow, pretty.
Pretty? Aray. Nakatawa ko sa pretty.